good evening. As we spoke earlier, we posted a video of the thunderstorm that we had, and then the clouds went over nicely. A lot of rain fell in a very short time, and then the clouds were clear at the back. So we started the fire, and
the Braai master's
no,
braai-ing.
no, we're braaiing in the rain.
It's rough
A second sort of little spell came, and I'm covering the camera with a plastic cover, and Junior, Mr. Slay is in the, and I tell you, it's not. This is water falling. So this is what we do in Africa. Braai, we will braai, as they say in Afrikaans. Braai sal ons braai. A very fantastic, awesome New Year's Eve to everybody, and we're doing it in the rain. Thank you.